Hello everyone, my name is Massage Denise and welcome to my channel. If you oldie but goodie, welcome back. And if you're new, then welcome. So in today's video, I am going to be giving you my Sephora recommendations. There's a Sephora sale that will be coming up soon. I will leave all information in the description below. Skin item that I would suggest would be the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser, and it looks like this. And it's also by Glow Recipe. This is not irritating of the face. This is very gentle. It's very gentle, but I feel it working on my face. My face feels so clean after I use this. It's not over drying or anything. I really enjoyed it. The next item that I would suggest is by Fresh, and it's the Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner. Look like this, and it's so cute. It has like the little specks of roses in here. This is actually my second bottle of this. I really enjoy Fresh products, period. However, with the facial toner, it doesn't dry your face out or anything. It's very relaxing, it's very hydrating, but it's not overly hydrating on your face. I haven't had a toner that balances my face the way that this one does. The first primer that I am going to suggest, if you haven't picked you up a Fenty primer, or if you feel like you need to restock, this will be the time to restock or to get you a Fenty primer. This is like a primer slash moisturizer, and it feels so relaxing on the skin. I actually enjoyed this primer. I love the way my makeup applies after I put it on. I really enjoyed this primer. My makeup is so smooth, and so yeah, I would definitely suggest getting the Fenty primer or restocking on this primer. The second one is, it's no secret to nobody, so it is going to be the Tasha Silk Canvas. I think they have a mini. So if you don't want to splurge and get this big one, I'm telling you, get the small one. You will not regret it. Like, it blur your skin. It's almost just like magic in a container. I don't know what Tasha over there doing, but I'm telling you, you will not regret purchasing this. Your makeup application is so smooth. So the next items will be foundation. So the two foundations that I definitely would suggest would be the Laneige, the 10 Ultra 24-hour makeup. My color is, what is this, 460 SUEW, and this is my second bottle. I love this foundation. You just look completely flawless. The second one is the NARS. So what I love about NARS is that this is definitely give you like a skin like finish. So I really enjoy that about NARS. Dang, how much of NARS did I use? Oh, I might need to restock on this one too, but this definitely give you like a skin-like finish. The next item will be the powders. So this one is not going to be no secret. This is the Laura Mercier, and this is the translucent medium deep. I do have the translucent, but you know, for my melon girls and my melon boys and stuff, like, if you haven't tried this, I would say get it. I love this powder. It makes it just brings my makeup and everything together flawlessly. I just love the way my face look with it. My second powder, my second recommendation of powders is no other than the Fenty Beauty, and mine is in hazelnut, and I enjoy this powder. You have to have a light hand with this. Don't go heavy with this powder. Go light. And if you're darker than me, like if you're like several shades darker than me, like this would be a good highlight under your eyes. But yeah, I use this as an all over powder, like a finishing powder. And so I really have been enjoying the Fenty Beauty powder. I do love the way my face look after I apply it. It just also blends my makeup beautifully. It does not cake up on me or anything, but like I said, you have to have a light hand. You cannot have a heavy hand with this powder, from my experience. My next, oh, before I forget, I can't believe I almost forgot this one. The Sephora, what's this? The Micro Smooth, and I got mine in 10, matte 10, 35. Yo, this is the bomb. You talking about flawless, like flawless. You can I mean, when you put this on your face, it really does smooth out like the lines and everything. Like, it is so good. So the setting spray is the one from Sephora that I always pick up. It's the Faced Hangover 3-in-1. This is like nothing new to nobody channel. Everybody knows how this works. You know, it has the coconut water. You know, it's like, I mean, it just melts everything together. It just melts every single thing together. I love this spray. This is like my second bottle. Yeah, this is my second bottle. I love this setting spray. The next item that I will recommend is also from Too Faced, and this is the multi-use sculpting concealer, and mine is in butterscotch. So I love this concealer. I really do. It gives me like a flawless application. As I got older, like, I realized that under my eyes it does crease. There's no concealer out here that's going to prevent my eyes from creasing and everything. However, what I will say is that my eyes, it take about several hours after I use this. Take about several hours after I set it and everything. Take about several hours for my eyes to start creasing under. Okay, so the next item that I suggest that you pick up would be, or recommend that you pick up, is a blush, and it's by Anastasia, and it's the blush trio in Berry Adore, and it looks like this. And this blush trio is gorgeous, especially for us melon girls. I love this blush. I love it, especially the one in the middle, which is called Exotic. I love Exotic. So you got, this is what they look like. So this is Velvet, Exotic, and Dessert. These colors, I hope you can see them. These colors are gorgeous on women or men of color. I love this blush trio. I love it. Next item that I have is from Laneige, and it's the lip sleeping mask. This is on everybody's radar, and it's on everybody's radar for a reason. Like, I love this lip mask. It makes your lips feels like a baby's bottom. It is so soft. It makes your lips so soft. I cannot go without the Laneige lip mask. Like, and it's only $20, I believe. You gotta get it. I mean, you have to get it. Whatever you have in your basket, you have to make sure that you put that one in there. Like, you're not going to regret it. The next item is going to be Fenty Beauty products. So if you gotta get any lip paint from Fenty Beauty, I would suggest, which one is this? Unlock. I love the way Unlock looks. So you have that pretty hot, okay, so it's really pretty hot pink when you put it on, but as it dries, it's like this really pretty it's just like this really dark pink look, but it is so complimenting, because it's like, you see, it's like a bluish pink look. It's just, I can't, that's the only way I can describe it. But this color is drop dead gorgeous on the lips. The next item, and I promise you this is not sponsored by Fenty. You know, Rihanna just be knocking the shit out the park. And this is new. So this product is new to me, her bronzer, and I got it in Cocoa Naughty. So although her bronzer is new to me, like, I love the way my face look with it. I'm wearing it now. I love the way it bronzed up my face. Like, come on. Like, this bronzer, like, is so gorgeous to me. I love this bronzer. The next item is an eyeshadow palette, and I didn't want to make this video long as hell, even though I feel like it's long as hell. But if I had to suggest any palette to pick up, it would be this one. So it's the Anastasia Soft Glam. And yeah, like, these colors are just gorgeous. I love these colors. I love them. Like, they take you from day to night. They are just like so soft, so pretty. There's so many looks that you can do with this. When my husband took me to London, this is the palette that I brought with me. And so, and I really, really enjoyed this palette. So the next eyeshadow would definitely be Pat McGrath. Now, this is the Bronze Ambition. That's what it's called. It is so fancy. I love it. So you open it like this, and I know it don't look like it but like, can you all see it? Like, these colors are so freaking gorgeous. She has several different ones. I just like this one because it's everyday warm colors. I can use it. You know, I can use it. So this, and look at the packaging. I mean, God, Jesus, look at that packaging. I love Pat McGrath packaging. She just make you feel so fancy. She just make you feel so fancy. So I really, really, really love her packaging. So yeah, if you have to splurge on a eyeshadow palette, it would either be Pat McGrath, and any one of hers. I just end up getting Bronze Ambition. It would be this one, or it would be the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam. Those will be my two recommended ones. So thank you all so much for watching my video. Thank you for supporting me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Bye. Mwah.